Hello guys, I'm first time here in Kemolo company, and I must say that I'm very impressed about this company quality. The product that they are doing are very good quality, high quality, I should say highest quality. By my research, it's a #1 brand in China, and I believe one of the best in the world. I highly recommend it, this company, because I will be purchasing for my company already machines. The company has high standard, using the parts from Western Europe, very high quality, and the things that you can do with these machines are incredible. I'm hoping that you're gonna to visit them, because it's a high profitable business. Thank you very much, and best from Mr. Darko Popovic from Serbia. Bye.